गाइस वेरी वेरी सॉरी, कल एपिसोड नहीं आया। वो इसलिए था क्योंकि
हम आज रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं।
हाँ।
there's no excuse, पब्लिक बहुत बिजी है। uh, Baba is very inundated with work and we have vowed to never shoot without the four of us being present, so that's why.
वाउड तो मत बोल।
वाह।
Really?
इतना भी आगे मत जा वरुण।
No, we are wow, अरे चारों है आज।
अच्छा,
We are vowed. We
अच्छा।
are
We are
vowed
always
when
in
four
wow.
of us are
Yeah.
present. But sorry एपिसोड नहीं आया, और सॉरी हमने कुछ बोला नहीं क्योंकि
ऑल्सो थोड़ा ये होगा। मैं मतलब ऐसा अभी 3 हफ्ते के
अरे
लिए गायब
हाँ
हूँ।
भावा, कहाँ जा रहा है तू?
रेड कप।
कानपुर।
किधर जा
रेड
रहा है?
कप। रेड कार्पेट पे।
इधर, लेकिन रेड कार्पेट
ओ
पीछे किधर है चूतिए? रेड कार्पेट किधर भी घाटकोपर में हो सकता है, तू जा रहा कहाँ है पता?
मेट।
अरे ठाकुर, इट्स इन कानपुर।
हाँ, कान।
हाँ,
और फिर
कानपुर।
और उधर तू कौन से दूसरे एड एजेंसी को कान के नीचे देगा एक तेरे एड? हाँ।
बट
नहीं,
तो सिर्फ
हम
कान
लोग।
जा रहा है, फिर किधर और भी जा रहा है?
हाँ, थोड़ा एक ऐसा एक क्विकी टूर भी करके आते हैं, एक ऐसा 7 दिन का। अरे आई डेंट टेक अ प्रॉपर ब्रेक या बिटवीन माय जॉब, सो एक थोड़ा एक हो
या
जाए।
यू आर द ओनली गाय हु वाज वर्किंग इन बिटवीन जॉब्स आल्सो।
दिस इज ट्रू।
या,
हाँ।
दैट्स सो
dude,
सैड।
and the thing is, na, I had told Baba this before he was when he was about to quit, meaning about to leave his job. I told him this: ki there is the last person who knows how to deal with free time is
He
Baba,
was
because
going mad. You remember? It was weird. Like it's just a clueless person walking around. क्या करूँ? वो हम लोग को उसके घर पे जाते थे तो चाय बना के, कॉफी बना के दे रहा है, और ना बैठ ना, थोड़ा शांति रख। उसको समझ
the
में नहीं आता
most
क्या कर।
the most surprising thing is बाबा सामने से बोल रहा है कुछ एडिट करने के लिए है क्या?
हाँ,
कोई
कुछ है क्या?
कुछ कोई पॉडकास्ट शादी का वीडियो।
बाबा बैठ के
रैंडम
रिलेशनशिप
रैंडम रील्स बना। हाँ।
बाबा सच बता,
बोल।
are you more excited by going to Cannes, or are you more excited by doing Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad and Delhi?
या
What I'm most excited about, I'm most excited about doing London, Amsterdam,
Oh,
Berlin.
why
why
you
we will
going?
tell
No,
you
no, no,
after I
Oh,
take the intro.
That's
no, no.
right.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Said So, a show where we take random incident, words of facts, such as stories and we talk about it. और हमने तुम्हें कोल्ड ओपन में एक ट्रेलर बताया। अब टाइम है थोड़ी चीजें रिवील करने का। तो पहला बात, बॉयज, डू यू ऑल नो दैट
करूं क्या?
दिस
Reveal.
ईयर, हाँ
हाँ।
रिवील कर,
या जा
want
जा
people
लेट्स।
to stay tuned after this, not shut their laptops angrily.
And
And
burn
not
their
report
eyes.
the channel.
And then burn their eyes.
Anyway, let's get back to more important things like what we're supposed to. Boys, do you all know that it's been 5 years? It'll be 5 years of TIS in September.
Yeah.
5/20.
ओह
24 सितंबर को अपने गए थे, सितंबर बिगनिंग में अपन मैनेजर बैठ के किए थे, और अभी सितंबर होने में 2 ही महीने हैं, 2.5 महीने हैं, राइट?
Bro,
और
and thanks to the pandemic, it feels like it was at least 15 years.
या,
या
I feel like it's
बट since it is
When you have a playlist that does not load in one swipe on Spotify, it's
Yeah.
been a while.
No,
It's been a
but
while.
since it's been 5 years, I think थोड़ा कुछ हम लोग को स्पेशल करना चाहिए, और बहुत सारी चीजें हम प्रॉमिस करते रहते हैं. Like we had promised a tour many years ago, but we finally made it happen. So thank you, firstly, everybody who bought tickets. It was amazing. The first 5 shows: Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, Delhi, all sold out. All fantastic shows, and it was literally like हम लोग एक दूसरे को झापड़ मार रहे थे कि साला ये पहले क्यों नहीं किया, और कैसे
हम्म।
हम और जगहों पे भी कर सकते हैं. तो बिफोर आई अनाउंस दैट, बॉयज, कैसे रहा तुम्हारा ये टेस्ट स्टोर? पहले वो बताओ पब्लिक को.
बहुत मजा आया, डिस्पाइट एवरीथिंग बहुत मजा आया, डिस्पाइट योर व्लॉगिंग व्लॉगिंग
Hey,
vlogging.
the vlogs had become some of the best parts of it because
No,
I
I'm
didn't
saying
realize
it's
all the
great.
dumb things that we do, and we just it became second nature to hold a camera and do
which
it.
I'm still
Just
not
like,
okay with, but nonetheless,
Good.
I have. I thought I truly had a good time. I also had a good time because I don't think we've hung out
Yeah.
for a long period of time for a while like that,
Yeah,
and I think
yeah.
that was
Dude, also
little
one
mad.
of the highlights I've realized during this whole tour has been going to different cities and having really good food.
Yeah,
Like,
Yeah.
that amazing food.
like so here's what we usually do. We land up in one restaurant and then Baba goes like, कौन क्या क्या खाएगा? And then we just go like, Baba, तू order कर, and then we continue talking.
Okay, yeah. And you'll see a
Because
lot of this, you'll see a lot of the escapades on the vlog जो आने वाले हैं. तो हाँ कौतुक,
Hmm.
sorry.
नहीं, because Baba घुस जाता है ना, once a menu is opened, then he has to read it like it's one.
Baba's
Like-
the kind of guy, you know, front benchers who ask the teachers like extra questions for no reason.
Yeah, that's
because-
true.
So he's
Yeah.
asking the server, oh, this walnut consomme, is it? तो
Walnut consomme?
Consomme. Is it walnut consomme?
अरे
And-
वो
वो क्या walnut ink.
Walnut
हमें
ink,
walnut ink आ गया है भाई. ये
And
होता है.
the some of the servers like very knowledgeable. Some servers are like, listen, अगर
Just
आपका
order
वो स्विगी का नंबर है वो बता दो, हम पार्सल करना है बस. Like ये सब क्या वो?
No, but even I to think even the burger senior, like even just the burger was great. Like that also was. But can I tell you what Kautuk is most excited about? Kautuk is most excited about the door that opens up between two adjoining rooms. For some reason,
Yeah.
Kautuk is in
I
love
enjoy
with that door. He wants
Yeah,
it
that's how
open.
we stayed,
through
by
a-
the way. We always got adjacent rooms with a common door in the middle. Like we are in Hum Saath Saath Hai. But and for me, honestly, what was fun, obviously us hanging together is top, but just getting to meet everybody, like
Oh my
meeting
God,
all the taste public who we don't get to see often, but coming, having conversations with them, meeting them, just seeing the amount of like love they've given
Yes. Big
Well,
us.
yeah.
thanks
Exactly. All the
to
gifts that you
people.
guys got. Mine is up there. I can't get it. But all the gifts that you
Yes.
guys came with. Somebody came with tea from Assam, which
Yes.
I'm gonna have
Yeah.
tomorrow. Thank you
Yeah.
for
Which
that.
I am consuming, by the way. Whoever
Yeah.
that person is, I am consuming it.
So thank you for all the gifts. Even the keychains and
The
the little
magnet.
pins that we got, the posters.
The
People bringing
notes,
their
bro.
parents, their moms to the show. Thank you and sorry. to the
Bro,
mom.
even the notes that you guys have written, where some of you
Yeah.
have written individual notes and stuff, those are just like,
every single thing, like we can't tell you how much it meant to us. And like this tour was more of an eye-opener that apart from doing this, we also want to come and meet as many of the TIS public as we can. So in the spirit of it being 5 years of TIS very, very soon, we have decided to embark on a 5-year celebration tour. You heard that right. Yeah, that's a marketing gimmick, but it is true because it's going to be 5 years. And we wanted to try and do the TIS live shows uncensored at different places. So after that first round, to the resounding response, we are back on the road again. थोड़ा जून टाइट होने वाला है, जुलाई टाइट होने वाला है. बाबा बिजी है, मैं बिजी हूँ, कौतुक बिजी है, अदर बिजी है अलग अलग चीजों में. बट कम जुलाई 20th, we are coming to Ahmedabad. July 21st, we are doing a big show in Mumbai. August 11th is going to be a big show in Bengaluru. August 10th might be Chennai, but keep your eyes peeled on the ticket link that we share. Once again, a reminder to add your email on the mailing list so that you will get first access
Oh yeah.
to tickets. And then there's also going to be Kolkata.
Yes.
But
Cherry
but
on the cake.
reason for you
Cherry
filling
on the
that
cake.
mailing list.
Yes.
And the reason why that mailing list is very important.
Wow.
Go
Oh,
ahead.
is that TIS Uncensored is coming to Europe,
yes.
as it's
And
popularly
UK.
called.
Just Europe. Can you say Europe? How can you fuck that up?
अरे यूरोप बोल रहा हो यार.
Yes,
यूरोप
Europe.
यूरोप आ रहे हैं.
Yeah, मैं समझ रहा हूँ लेकिन यूरोप किसी को समझेगा क्या?
But अभी
Europe,
UK भी
guys,
साथ में
Europe.
अलग से बोलना पड़ता है
Specifically,
because yeah.
specifically Berlin, Amsterdam, and London. And more shows may get added in Europe basis how the response to these ones are. But ये तीन confirm हो रहा है. September end, 28th is going to be Berlin, 29th is going to be Amsterdam, and 5th of October is going to be London. London tickets are ready and they're live. तो mailing list वालों को पहला मिलेगा, उसके बाद हम लोग यहाँ announce करेंगे. And in this week, Amsterdam and Berlin will also go out.
Also, हम लोग को आदर ने एक अफवाह बताया है कि मैनचेस्टर में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्हें ये शो देखना है. तो if you are from there and you want us to come there, please definitely write it in the mailing list because subject to how many names
Yeah.
we have there.
I
we'll
just want to
up a show
put
there.
couple of logistical things in question here. And sorry for this boring TED talk, but it's
Devil's
very
advocate.
important. Yes, it's very
You
important.
are Neville's advocate.
Yes,
Ne-
it's very important. Please understand. Put your name in the mailing list. You will get a link. That link will have chances are in Germany, we will do one show. Amsterdam is definitely the show we're doing. If you're in Scandinavia, etc., I don't think we're going to be doing a show there. So you will need to plan whether if you do want to do Berlin or you want to do things. We're announcing the tickets in advance so you can plan. There is also in London, it'll be London. If London fills up, we will do a second show in London. Manchester is if we get an enough amount of response in the mailing list. So these are all things. Don't wait to buy your tickets is the reason why I'm saying this. Don't if you think that London's possible, please buy London. Thing. And finally, there is a possibility which Varun Thakur, if you can say when is going to be.
Yeah, we are not coming to Bratislava. We are not coming to
Yeah.
uh,
Sao
Romania.
Paulo next year, pakka confirm.
We are not doing
Yeah.
Panama, and Antarctica is also definitely not happening this year. But we will possibly, and कोशिश एक आशा जारी है अभी तक, might end up doing Canada as well, middle of October. Now we wanted to try do US, but US is very tough और अभी बहुत मुश्किल है उधर ये traveling, sorry, work visa, whatever मिलना. तो the idea is to do it in Canada, one show on the East Coast, Toronto, and one show on the West Coast, Vancouver. तो अगर आप US में ईस्ट कोस्ट पे रहते हो, फिली रहते हो, बॉस्टन रहते हो, न्यूयॉर्क रहते हो, शिकागो, तो वहां से टोरंटो आ जाना देखने के लिए. और अगर आप ये साइड पे रहते हो, विच इज वॉशिंगटन स्टेट, सिएटल, कैलिफोर्निया, सैन जोसे, तो आप
But if you're in
आके you
but
can
if
come
you're
to
in
Vancouver.
Texas, Vegas, Utah, etc., then wait till we come to Sao Paulo next year.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Or you can come to Chennai.
Yes.
Nobody is stopping you
हम
from
लोग
coming to Chennai. You
ऊपर
can
नीचे सब चले जाएंगे. हाँ, we'll go to
Hmm.
Brazil. Before coming to New York, we will go to Brazil.
नहीं
Yeah.
हम लोग न्यूयॉर्क जाएगा घूमने लेकिन ये शो थोड़ा
But
मुश्किल.
anyway, all confusion aside, exact dates, tickets, etc. will be written in the links below. तो जैसे आएगा हम announce करेंगे. Please खरीद लेना. And we can't wait to come and do shows across UK, Europe, Canada, and rest of India. And one more bonus good news.
ये मेरे को भी मालूम
हर
नहीं.
साल प्रॉमिस करते रहते हैं, लेकिन अभी तो कंफर्म हो रहा है क्योंकि आज ही देख लिए हैं वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस डिजाइन्स व्हिच आर गोइंग टू गेट फाइनलाइज्ड वेरी सून. और उसके बाद वेरी सून आने वाला है मर्च. ठीक है, अभी आई नो यू गाइस वोंट बिलीव, अरे तू 4 साल से 5 साल से ऐसी चूतिया बना रहा है. यस आई एग्री, हमने चूतिया बनाया है, बट अभी नहीं बना रहे. अभी जेन्युइनली काम चालू हो चुका है, नियरिंग कंप्लीशन है. तो कम जुलाई मे बी एट द शोज you will also get to get your hands on the merch, but वो नहीं तो एक वेबसाइट पे तो होगा. तो all of that, lot of exciting things happening. Vlogs भी देखोगे और एपिसोड भी होगा. तो ये था गुड न्यूज, and can't wait to see you at the 5-year celebration tour. Chava, chava.
Man, I just can't tell you how surreal it feels for me to be in this moment having done 5 shows, because
Yeah.
it feels like we have been talking about this for years under different
Yeah.
names with different personnel
Yeah.
on a different channel with a different password.
इतना
Like,
With
कब से-
enough, with no facial hair, with some facial hair.
It's yeah.
But also to figure out a format that worked for the live show, which was not just so that was and the fact that 5 show ho chuke and now we are like, oh, we've got way too much material and now we are cutting the show down, which is
No,
fun.
and one of the other special things for me has been in when Adar flew back down.
Yeah.
And that little mini concert that happens at the end, it's
Yeah.
always been
Uh,
nuts.
So if you were at any of the test shows, leave a review below so the people who haven't seen us उनको भी मालूम पड़े. सिर्फ अच्छे रिव्यू लिखना, गलत रिव्यू गंदे रिव्यू को मैं डिलीट करूंगा. ठीक है.
अरे नहीं नहीं
वो
जोक्स मत
DM में
डालना,
भेजना.
ये सब मत
हाँ,
करना.
jokes मत डालना.
don't share the jokes.
हाँ,
वो डालना ही, वो तो बिल्कुल ही मत डालना. Don't
बस
share
sorry.
all the
अच्छा
jokes
लगा.
from the show.
बहुत
And-
अच्छा लगा, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगा, वो सब डाल.
And
No,
one
no.
last thing,
It's this.
one last thing, in case you have already seen the show, wow,
Oh,
special effects. Budget बढ़िया तेरा, wow. But in case you have seen the show,
On me.
just one word. The show is the same. So if you are coming again for whatever reason, just know that the show will be the same, right? So that's
Sorry, unless you're in Bangalore, then there's an other section which is
Oh yeah.
Yeah. mostly same plus other.
Yeah.
Bangalore and
Okay.
Pune. हाँ.
All right.
Okay,
So
तो
that
ये
is
ये सब थे updates for everything that's happening with this. And yeah, अभी actually चालू करते हैं episode.
hey, I have a segue, Jeet.
You have a segue, Jeet?
Yeah. Speaking of entertainers who are doing sold out shows, let's talk about the
Hmm.
World Cup.
Oh
Yeah.
wow. By
you
the way,
mean where
World
it's
Cup.
raining like this.
बाबा ये क्या है तेरा पूरा ये सब चल रहा है तूने
It's
जितने
gone on.
सब
It's on.
डाल-
It's like it's on cocaine. What's happened with your laptop?
अरे ब्रो कुछ भी चलता है इधर आजकल.
By the way, इंडिया पाकिस्तान देखा कि नहीं?
Of course.
Of course देखा मतलब.
Epic.
पट्टीज
The
किधर
fun.
देखा? किधर देखा तूने?
मैं घर पे.
हाँ
मैं घर पे. इसके लिए तो मैं बोल रहा था कि क्या हम लोग एक रिकॉर्ड करें क्या एपिसोड 8 to 10 o'clock, but then you were busy on Hotstar
Yeah.
and Star Sports.
By the way,
Oh,
those
by the way,
who've seen
yeah.
it,
What is
pre-show for the T20 World Cup on Hotstar. Yours truly is hosting / comedy guest on the pre-show. तो mid-show and post-show also. तो please देखो और
Hmm.
एक
बताओ
आदर भी पहुंच गया था ना?
आदर भी
Dude,
पहुंचा।
that match was so. एक तो मैं पाकिस्तान पनवती हूँ, so you have to keep me next to you and make you guys watch a Pakistan match because that USA Pakistan match, which we were all when we started the pre-show, it was like हाँ जीत रहा तो पाकिस्तान ही है. We just hope that USA gives them a good fight, and by the end, it was just insane what was happening, and
Bro,
we were
that
just
last
like.
हम लोग स्टूडियो में
over.
ऊपर गए. We finished all the thing और US का बैटिंग चालू था. And they're playing, we're like, हाँ ठीक है अच्छा खेल रहे. Then they started actually playing better. We're like, shit, it looks like there is a chance. Then they played a little better. Then eventually you're like, अरे 1 over 15 Haris Rauf bowling कर रहा है. It's not going to happen. So we've gone up, getting might, assuming that this is going to finish. Dude, it got so interesting that सब अपना PCR VCR छोड़ के सब लाइट स्पॉट दादा ये दादा वो दादा हम लोग सब
हाँ.
लोग we are glued to that TV in the studio. And here's the thing, we are cheering like मतलब US India है.
इंडिया जीत रहा है.
क्योंकि
Correct,
अपने
correct.
को दिख
Because
रहा है
है
सौरभ
तो.
नेत्रवलकर बॉलिंग कर रहा है, मोनांग पटेल
यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स
कर
ऑफ एशिया. यूनाइटेड
एक-
स्टेट्स ऑफ एशिया
हाँ.
चल रहा था वहां पे.
एक किसी ने मस्त जोक बनाया था कि there is India A team and then there is India H1B team,
Yeah,
which is
H1B.
USA.
Yeah.
It's India A and India USA. So that's what it is.
No, but it's crazy
But
that
sorry, Kautuk,
you know-
can I piss on that joke a little bit on the H1B?
No, Baba, it's a good joke. Much
I
good.
understand,
हाँ.
but I understand, but just feel.
but by saying that you want to piss on it, you already pissed on it, Baba.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think it's a technically incorrect joke. That's all.
Okay. Well,
Ah,
as opposed to all the technically correct jokes Baba does.
yeah.
But dude, I apparently heard that those guys barely got any money. उनको $250 मिला उनको मैच खेलने के लिए.
हाँ.
Which is why they work at Oracle and all.
ये
ना?
जर्सी स्पॉन्सर नहीं है कुछ नहीं है.
Yeah.
और $250 जो $250 के 30,000 रुपया है 25,000 रुपया. ब्रो उतना
नहीं,
मेहनत
25 से भी कम है.
अरे इसके लिए तो काम कर रहा है ना वो लोग हर जगह पे.
Yeah, they literally this
Oh,
is their
they've got
part-time.
it.
Oracle में इंजीनियर है ब्रो.
No,
सौरभ
no,
नहीं.
Insane.
Yeah, but like I told you, right? Like the guy is an ex-colleague's brother.
Oh yeah.
So
I remember हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे. मेरे को बाबा तभी बोल रहे कि अरे bro, that's my colleague and her brother plays for the US team. And we're like, oh,
used to
okay.
play India 19. So
Yeah, used to play India under 19. Now plays for the US team. So I'm like, oh, what's the name? So she had said Saurabh Netravalkar, which is why it was stuck in my head. That name, you know, you feel like you heard this name, and then suddenly US team में मैंने देखा, I'm like, एक मिनट, ये तो बाबा के कॉलीग का भाई है और क्या बोले क्या है, bro?
yeah.
He's bold, damn.
Change the bloody game
Bro, the
entirely.
thing about that is it's really funny because I just want to talk about that for a moment. I have never met Saurabh in his life. In my entire life, I have never met him. Okay. I don't know him from he's not even spoken to me, nothing. But on that group where my ex-office ka friends are, all of us, we were talking. Bro, for us, it felt personal, bro. It felt like it's just so bizarre. Just like a 1 degree of separation, and it's still like we were like, holy fuck, we really want him to do well. So yeah, it was.
But that was
No,
crazy.
I was
When
doing
the tournament started, nobody thought that your top 2 teams in this group A is going to be India and USA.
And USA.
correct.
Like in their head, every day, हाँ चल इंडिया पाकिस्तान नहीं तो जा रहा है सुपर हिट, and अभी पाकिस्तान literally is dependent on all other teams playing badly.
Classic
So,
India problems in the 90s.
90s.
Run rate.
But तुम लोग
But
इंडिया
also the
पाकिस्तान किधर देखा?
pitch. What is? हाँ, sorry, हाँ.
मैं घर पे देखा.
मैं घर पे आराम से बैठ के I knew I was not going to move for the next 4 hours. बैठ के every snack that is possible कि I don't miss anything. And it's everybody's been complaining about the pitch, and I think Varun has complained the most while watching the games of a drop in pitch, which my father didn't know about, and I had to explain to my father, who's actually played cricket, what a drop in pitch is.
Yeah, but
Why?
like whatever they say about the pitch, at the end of the day, it's been so weird to watch a World Cup where you're not after IPL जिधर 250, 300, 550
Bro,
run.
bowlers are into play. It's great, dude.
Yeah.
What a World
I'm
Cup.
so happy for the bowlers that first time nobody is going mad about the batsman. कह रहे उसका 50 देगा उसका 100. Now you're just like भाई 4 और उसके देखे तूने, उसने 14 रन दिए, 3 विकेट लिए. Like to see, there's more fun in watching low scoring thrillers than it is to watch like
Belters.
high scoring belters. कह रहे यार मतलब.
But I have the Pakistani fans, like it's just weird how I don't, it's rude. Bottom line, at अफरीदी के बाजू में खड़े रह के आज मैंने एक और वीडियो देखा of Afridi just sitting chilling, and some Indian fans ran up to him and he said, and they kept telling him bowling ganda karo please, and walked away after clicking a photo with him, which I have not understood why this is with Pakistani players for some reason.
But can I also say this video is really cute. There was a post interview between what are you talking about, Gautam?
No, so go on. I think
I was
it's
talking
the
about
same.
between Bumrah and Sanjana. Okay, Sanjana is
Yeah.
Bumrah's wife,
His
and
wife.
she's interviewing him on the pitch, right? And it was really sweet. He's like, yeah, the pitch we bowled. कुछ ऐसा 10-12 मिनट बहुत सीरियस डिस्कशन किया. फिर उसके बाद थैंक यू सो मच, विल सी यू लेटर करके संजना बहुत प्रोफेशनली उसको बोल रही है थैंक यू सो मच, विल सी यू लेटर. तो वो बोल रहा है सी यू इन 30 मिनट्स. फिर वो जा रहा है और वो बोल रहे हैं उसको कि व्हाट्स फॉर डिनर. Like there are some moments that are genuinely like really.
Oh
really
no,
sweet.
I was thinking of that other video where I forget which Pakistani cricketer it was, but some fan went up to that player, took a
Shadab
photo.
Khan, bro. Shadab Khan is taking
Shadab
out
Khan.
these girls, and the girls go up to him कि आजकल आप इतने चौके छक्के क्यों खा रहे हो? While posing, तो she's posing. और ऐसे साइड में बात करते हैं आजकल आप चौके छक्के क्यों कर रहे हो? And Shadab Khan is just standing there. Dude, Pakistani players get trolled most by Pakistani fans.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
Those two guys on YouTube, उन्होंने तो बजा दी है भाई. वसा क्या नाम है उनका? I'll put the link. They are too funny.
But during the 50 over World Cup, what was that Pakistani show which
Wasim
was really
Akram.
good?
With Wasim Akram and all of that, na?
Yeah.
Hmm,
It was
yeah.
on Pakistani show. They used to-
Pavilion.
Pavilion.
Pavilion, yeah.
Like, dude,
It was old school Doordarshan analysis.
I'll tell you how good that show was. I didn't watch the matches, but I would sometimes play a little bit of that
Watch
clip.
the
कि बता क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में.
Bro, I just love the way the Pakistani commentators also talk. Wasim Akram commentary कर रहा है, ठीक है? और commentary करते वक्त somebody, I think Imad Wasim came to bat at number 5, which was not his position. And people are wondering, like other commentators are wondering, why didn't Iftikhar come? So Wasim Akram in the most beautiful that Urdu, Punjabi, Hindi way. मुझे तो समझ नहीं आ रहा कि इफ्तिकार को टीम में रखा ही क्यों आज. Bro, he said a very normal sentence. We are all at stars up, बाकी सब cricketer विकेटर सब बैठ के मैच देख रहे. We've all burst out because he wasn't being mean, but just the way it was like such a हल्का troll. समझ नहीं आ रहा कि इफ्तिकार को रखा ही क्यों है आपने.
It was pure frustration meets confusion. Right? Like,
Yeah.
because that they've been having the same conversation, it feels like from the 50 over World Cup. कि इनको क्यों रखा है, क्या
Bro,
चल रहा है?
Waqar also, no? Waqar was doing one commentary and he's just so resigned. At one point, he stopped short of saying Pakistan is pulling up Pakistan. He has stopped short of saying this. He has gone saying, this is the problem. Blah, blah. He sounds so resigned after bowling.
How many of your
Your
friends were there? Suddenly, I'm like, from अरे टिकट 80 लाख 50 लाख का है 20 लाख का है. मेरे इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज में सब मैच के लिए गए भाई. इतने
Oh.
सारे ऐसे कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? सब लोग मैच पे.
सब 2 करोड़ देके गए टिकट लेके.
क्या पता है सब
नहीं.
लोग.
By the way, one other thing I found out recently. कि the Pakistan Cricket Board on Twitter, their handle is the real PCB, which implies that for a while there was a fake PCB,
Fake one
which
that
they had to
everyone was
discredit.
following.
Who was
Or
giving
may I just
updates?
say, or may I just say, it's not that there was a fake PCB. On Twitter right now, there is a handle called PCB.
Yeah.
This
Bro,
is
can you
this
imagine?
is this is like Varun Thakur original. क्या Varun Thakur professional? क्या वो?
ऑफिशियल
Official. Varun Thakur
Official.
official.
भावतुक तूने किधर देखा इंडिया पाकिस्तान?
Okay, so here's
हीरा
the
को
thing,
दिखाया
okay?
कि नहीं?
Yeah. So off late, like in the last, I would say 6-7 years, completely lost touch with cricket except for 2 matches that I will make time for anytime they happen. When India plays Pakistan and when India reaches the final, you drop everything and you watch. So the ritual is that I go to my parents' house and I watch the match with my father. Okay, that's what we've started doing. So watch that. I don't know if it's unlucky because 50 over World Cup final देखा हार गए. ये वाला we started watching it. Dude, the way it started, oh man, like me and my dad are
That
looking at each other.
first
Firstly,
six. वो जो पहला
Yeah,
6 गया था ना,
the-
I was like, ये तो they are nailing this match. पाकिस्तान अभी यूएसए से हार के आई है, morale is down, and इसने
that
6 मारा,
rain,
बोला ये क्या?
that
हाँ,
rain
Rain
that
was
came,
annoying
man.
because not only was it raining in New York, it was raining in Bombay also, bro.
So I'll tell you about that. So basically, what happened is at the end of the innings, right, when whatever we made 119 or whatever, um, so Ira has watched some of this. Then she has slept for some of it. Then she got hungry for some of it. So at the end of the innings, Siddhi and I have looked at the rain and we're like, if we don't leave now, like we'll have
Correct,
to
correct.
swim home, right? Like straight up. So we have left. It's torrential rain. Torrential. Okay. Like, guys, if you weren't in Mumbai, you have no idea how much it has rained. Like the visibility was like
Zero.
literally 1 meter.
yeah.
So we've reached home. And I'm like, by the time we've reached home, I'm like, okay, whatever, the match must have gotten over. I think we must have lost. Dekha, we're in the game. कुछ
Yeah.
कुछ 88 for 4 ऐसा कुछ तो था.
Dude,
And I was
boom,
like,
boom,
oh.
Bumrah.
Dude, which is the
This is
thing,
the
right?
first
Like,
game I was sober. इंडिया पाकिस्तान यूजुअली तो किधर जाएगा ना, कोई बार में जाएगा, पिएगा, यू विल बी बॉयज. ये वाला तो होस्ट कर रहा था, इधर थोड़ी दारू पी के जाने वाला. एंड when that is happening, you're like, shit bro, ये हारने वाला है, ये हारने वाला, you know,
Yeah.
automatically in your head like, हाँ हारने वाले.
Correct, correct.
At 2 over the game change, you won't believe, we are all sitting in the sports cafe, इधर विकेट नहीं जा रहा है. Piyush Chawla was also one of the he's on experts on many of the shows, right? So he's also on the show we do. So he just walked in, or either, and by the way, beauty is to watch it, but you're watching it with ex-cricketers. So Ishan Sharma,
Yeah.
है, Piyush Chawla है, Ambati Rayudu है, MSK Prasad है,
और
Rasim
उधर तू ये नहीं
हाँ,
बोल और उधर नहीं बोल सकता स्ट्रेट ड्राइव मारना चाहिए था क्या यार आउटसाइड
हाँ, नहीं, of course नहीं
नहीं बोल
हाँ,
सकता.
No,
तुम्हारे
but
मुंह
it's
से
like
कुछ गलत
as a
निकल ही नहीं
as a
सकता.
cricket fan, growing up watching these people, being their fan, and now getting to watch an India-Pakistan match with them was too much fun. So Piyush Chawla just walked in, and we're all like, "अरे पीयूष भाई क्या लगता है?" He's like, "यार स्पिनर को bowling देनी चाहिए." He just said that casually, और literally उधर रोहित ने ऐसे अक्षर को बॉल पास किया, and अक्षर has taken the wicket of the first ball. You know, like in yesterday's game, that Bangladesh वाला गेम, एक LBW हुआ जो अंपायर ने आउट दिया लेकिन आउट नहीं था, और वो बॉल बाउंड्री गई, right? When they DRS the decision, it was not out, but you don't get that leg by 4, and Bangladesh lost by those 4 runs. This entire thing has happened in front of us, and the first person to react, Ambati Rayudu, is like, "अरे यार ये this is not a leg before wicket, अभी उसको 4 रन नहीं मिलेगा." And exactly वो हुआ. Just the beauty of sitting with cricketers and seeing how when they watch the game,
Yeah,
they're
yeah.
able to pick the thing so fucking obviously, मतलब इतने सालों का
Yeah,
experience.
yeah, yeah.
For you to
Yeah,
witness
yeah.
that happen is damn good, bro.
Correct.
एक ऐसा चीज पकड़ते ना उन लोग, it's
so
too
Thakur, you're saying that watching it on the screen is not the same thing as playing.
Yeah, not at all.
Are you saying that we
Very-
can't be experts just by watching it?
No, you can't.
So you're
But,
saying you can't scream at a screen and make the cricketer do what you want? No,
Dude,
they-
I was just going to say this. Ki, like, this is so much better than that one guy when we had gone to Wankhede, Bawa and I to watch a match, we had one uncle sitting at the back जिसका एक्सपर्ट एनालिसिस इतना गलत और वो जोर जोर से बोलता था अभी विकेट मिलेगा. दिस वाज हिज एनालिसिस.
तू देख 12वीं ओवर में विकेट 12वीं ओवर में
But
Oh,
bro,
fan कम एस्ट्रोलॉजर है.
या
सब इंडिया में सब एस्ट्रोलॉजर है ब्रो. और अगर तेरा बट इट हैपेंड टू मी, राइट? यू आर सिटिंग एंड यू आर वाचिंग एंड यू आर ऑब्वियसली प्रेडिक्टिंग कि अभी ये होगा. बुमराह बॉलिंग के लिए आया है और मैंने बोला चल यार बुमराह आया, रिजवान बोल्ड, बिकॉज उसने रिजवान को 22 वर्ल्ड कप T20 में भी वैसे ही बोल्ड किया था, स्लोअर बॉल पे. बट ये स्लोअर बॉल नहीं होना. इसने आके डाला है. मैं पूरा स्पोर्ट्स कैफे में भागा उधर, सब क्रिकेटर्स के सामने, सब क्रिकेटर देख रहे, predicting Bumrah is going to bowl somebody out and thinking you are Nostradamus. It's because Bumrah hai, bro. 9 out of 10 times he will do it. Like, you don't need to say Bumrah bowled karega. हाँ, करेगा.
Dude, we've spoken about this before, but I think it's worth bringing it up again. The fact that, like, again, you know, when we made that low total, right? Like, as a fan who's grown up in the 90s, your mind straight up goes like, oh, low total means we've lost the match. Because,
Yeah.
like, although things have changed so much, we've got such amazing, like, such a great bowling attack, but for some reason there is still a doubt in my heart कि
Yeah.
अभी तो bowling से तो नहीं जीतते ना, हम लोग तो
अरे,
नहीं जीतते ना
हाँ,
bowling से.
correct. Arey,
But-
that's the problem with being an Indian cricket fan. That we don't, just that olden days of saying that we will bowl out a team was not a concept that
defend
could-
a total, sorry, like make a total which others can't reach. That is the strategy.
But you know, Ashwin, उसने recently एक चीज हमेशा बोला था T20 में, is like people keep saying you have to take wickets to win the match. I think that is overrated. Taking wickets to win the match is overrated, and people are like, oh, what do you mean? How else you
Yeah.
win? He said this game was the perfect example, right? In trying to take wickets, you end up doing 2-3 extra things that you don't really need to do, and end up giving away more runs. Whereas, you know, like having a spate of those bowlers who are तू बॉटल करके रख रहा है, तू विकेट नहीं ले रहा है बट यू रन भी नहीं दे रहा है, वो प्रेशर से अपने आप की क्रम्बल होने वाला है. वेरी कूल आर्टिकल. सिद्धार्थ मुंगा ने आर्टिकल लिखा था एंड अश्विन वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. व्हाट अ ग्रेट फकिंग एनालिसिस एंड परफेक्ट. वी डिडंट बोल पाकिस्तान आउट, बट वी डिडंट
Yeah.
let
Yeah,
them reach the cross the total. By the way, speaking of, did you all see New York Times था, New Yorker था, I don't know who. Suddenly New York में फैल गया ना कि भाई इतने लोग आ रहे हैं, 40,000 fans make it to Long Island to watch India versus Pakistan. And उसके नीचे रिपोर्ट किया है where India beat Pakistan 119 to 113.
Basketball.
And I'm like, bro, you had one job.
Bro, 1 second. Now that you brought this up, can we talk about that American commentary,
Yeah.
which has really
Yeah.
tickled my
True.
ears?
It's jarring to hear, like, because you're not used to it. You're used to every
British,
accent
yeah.
that's not
Australian.
American.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're, and
Every
it's-
accent that's not.
and it's weird.
Imagine उसको कितना मुश्किल हो रहा है. And Rishabh Pant hits it for a
Arey,
home
that's
run.
the thing,
Six.
Thakur, that's the thing. The point is, he wasn't commenting on commentating on the commenting on the sport or the action that was happening. It was always like the peripheral aspect of the game in that classic
Yeah,
American form.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
There were questions being thrown to him to like, you know, Sachin था ना मैच में, तो एक बार सचिन के ऊपर कैमरा गया, ये वो, तो वो सब चल रहा है. तो उसके ऊपर एक commentator, the commentator asked this guy that what would you call him? Like, what would you refer to him? Because obviously this is Sachin, etc. Would it be like, you know, the greatest of all time, or ऐसा एक दो options दिया उसको, like. So he said, you know, we would refer to him as, in my bad
Hall
American,
of Famer.
Hall of Famer.
Hall
पूछा
of
था उसको,
Famer.
लेकिन he's not a Hall of Famer. He's bigger than the game. He's
He is
bigger.
the Hall, bro.
He is-
He is the fame.
Is the
He's the
hall
fame of
and
famers.
fame.
Yeah, he's bigger
He's
than the
that.
game. तो
He's
ये
that.
तो it's this opportunity कि वो ऐसा वो किसने कैच पकड़ के ऐसा जमीन पे फेंका था जोर से, क्या
हाँ.
किसने
Mohammad
पकड़ा?
Amir.
है ना?
On cover
हाँ.
only that caught it. On cover ये caught it.
पाकिस्तान
हाँ.
इमाद वसीम ने
हाँ.
कैच लिया.
हाँ, इमाद हसीन. तो उसने ऐसा, look at that aggression. He picks up the ball. He's still not done. He throws it on floor. Like, you know what I'm saying? It was that peripheral, like, hyping up the event more than India Pakistan में इतना jingoism है, you don't need hyping up
Yeah.
commentary.
But hype, तो कैसे, how can you hype up in, bro, हम लोग जब भी कर रहे थे शो एट वन पॉइंट टाइम कुछ 3.5 करोड़ कंकरेंट व्यूअर्स थे, और ये जो 3.5 अकाउंट ने
Insane.
लॉग इन किया उनके साथ 5-5 लोग बैठे होंगे ब्रो, 10-10 लोग बैठे होंगे.
Dude, the thing that I think amazes anyone who's not acquainted with cricket are the staggering numbers. Like when they encounter them, na, वो लोग हिल जाते हैं because you've not heard of this sport. Like if, for example, Americans, right? If they've not heard of, there was one clip I think on Joe Rogan. Someone
Joe
showed him
Rogan, yeah, he looks up Virat Kohli's Instagram.
Virat Kohli's Instagram, right? And he's like, what? 32
Who is
million?
this guy?
He's like,
What?
wait, he's bigger than LeBron. He's like, dude, he's
Yeah.
not just bigger than LeBron. He's millions ahead.
The
He's
thing is,
millions ahead.
अपना चीट कोड वही है ना, अपना चीट कोड है आबादी. तो पब्लिक बोल रहा है अरे you know El Clasico is watched by these many people. India Pak is watched by 2x. 2x.
This is
It's
what,
just the number of people standing in front of screens outside Sony Moni TV shops.
Yeah.
That it's always you see it, you see a screen, you have to चल ना 5 सेकंड के लिए देखता हूँ क्या चल
No,
रहा
no,
है.
so
अच्छा ठीक है.
I-
Then you
I
go
just-
back to your job.
this is interesting because like when we do case studies and advertising and stuff like that, the impact figures that need to necessarily happen. We've affected these many people, these many accounts opened, these many people retweeted, these many people saw it, whatever, that kind of numbers when you tend to do, it's baffling because अगर मैं तेरे को बोला कि 1 लाख लोगों ने ये देखा, तो तेरे को कुछ what is 1 lakh people? It's Eden Gardens. 1 lakh people is Eden Gardens. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm saying like the numbers just for them it becomes so huge because you're like 1 lakh people. That's Chelsea. Like that's a whole West
by the
London.
way-
Dude, even their sports, people are watching it and
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
look, you look
But
at
I'm talking
football,
about
you
you're
look at
talking about
their-
sport. I'm saying just effect on people. कि हम लोग ने
By-
10,000 हम लोग 1 करोड़ पैकेट चॉकलेट बेचा तो बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है, लेकिन 1 करोड़ चॉकलेट उधर बेचा तो
Dude.
वो
Can I tell you, I just looked up this thing. I pulled this up. This is most viewed sports events in the world, okay, by viewership. This is from 2023. So, can you guess the top
I
10?
unfortunately I know this. So
top 10.
Okay,
Top 10.
yeah. So
There's-
it's
just throw out some
NFL,
these things.
Are you talking about league?
NFL?
Are you talking about
No, just sporting events.
They-
And then,
NFL
like
for
America.
think in terms of tournaments and league, like sports like that.
हाँ.
yeah. So it's NFL, baseball,
IPL.
NBA,
नहीं
One second,
baseball
one
नहीं है.
baseball.
One second. NBA is number 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Football होगा.
Baseball, I
NFL
think baseball
NFL
doesn't even figure, I think.
NFL is Super Bowl is 8.
And the point is there's
Oh.
a difference between, so there's a difference between viewership and value, like worth, like how.
Okay, so I'll tell you, let me just tell you the top 10. Okay, NBA Finals is 10. Number 10 is NBA Finals with 17.8 million viewers. Then is Wimbledon, okay, with 25.6 million. Then Super Bowl at 115 million. Okay, so you have straight jump. Then
Then Ranji
Champions
Trophy.
League.
अच्छा.
Champions League final is 450 million. Okay.
Oh, fuck.
Then
Okay.
winter games. Now we hit from 450, we go straight to winter games 2 billion.
Billion.
Summer games 2 billion. Okay. Women's World Cup. I'm assuming this is football.
Cricket.
2 billion.
अच्छा.
Cricket
2
तो
billion.
absolutely.
2 billion. Now number 3 is Cricket World Cup at 2.6 billion views. Number 1 is Football World Cup with 5 billion. Can you guess number 2, which is at 3.5?
Wait,
IPL.
World Cup, Cricket World Cup was third.
Yeah.
IPL.
Football was
IPL
second.
होगा.
Football was
The
second.
Football World Cup is number 1 with 5 billion.
हाँ.
World Cup
World
final,
Cup-
right?
Yeah, World Cup final is 5 billion. The Cricket World Cup is 2.6 billion. Now, what is number 2 in between these two at 3.5 billion? और फिर तेरे को पता चलेगा कि एक फैड क्यों इतना बड़ा हो गया था इंडिया में,
कबड्डी है
actually
क्या?
world में नहीं.
नहीं.
एक बार छोटा सा फैड था जो अभी नहीं है बट बहुत चला था एक टाइम पे, लोग पहनते थे ऐसे हाथ
अरे
में.
टूर de France.
Yes.
Oh fuck, Live
Yes.
Strong.
Yes.
but
Live
this is
Strong
in
band.
2023 top viewed things.
Yeah.
More
IPL
people
नहीं है
are
इसमें.
watching people cycle than fucking World Cup cricket.
Apparently. Apparently.
Sanju change that year?
3.5 billion views.
No,
I
no,
don't, I don't think this makes sense.
no,
What?
it doesn't make
But-
sense because
But
it
and to
can't
be
even be
honest,
cumulative views. It makes no sense. I don't see it because
you would have at least, you would have met one hardcore cycling fan, right? Who would at 3.5
Yeah.
billion.
I only know Lance
I would figure
Armstrong.
F1 would come in before cycling.
F1 is not even in the list.
F1 उन लोग
Wow.
देखना चालू करते और लैप लेके खत्म हो जाता है ना, साइकिल चलते रहता है तो उन लोग देखते जा रहे तो जैसे एक एक आते जा रहे हैं उन लोग
I think-
लेगा
I think
1.5
it's the
million.
idea. Is the idea that you can buy a cycle, you cannot buy an F1 car. So that's, I think, all the sports that you can play.
Yeah, but then if
like
you're
you can
watching
buy
Tour
a
de
football.
France, if you're watching Tour de France, buying your cycle is the least effort thing you have to do to complete Tour de France.
No, but like
चला
participating in
जाता
the sport and being like, अरे फुटबॉल करेंगे हम लोग जाके अभी बाहर खेल सकते हैं, you know, that's the cricket खेल सकते हैं जाके बाहर. तो
हाँ.
F1, I don't know how you can like
Yeah,
like, oh, I've got personal stories about driving that F1 car.
all right, Lewis, tell us.
So एक ये था, and the other thing I wanted to talk about was these. Okay, I found this article. This is an article on moneycontrol.com. Okay, and it's written by Abhishek Mukherjee. Okay, please check this article out after the thing. But it's got such beautiful anecdotes. Okay, these are anecdotes of Indian cricket fans and the crazy things that they have done across time. And this guy's compiled one really nice, comprehensive list. Okay. And we'll start with this particular anecdote. So, here is 2006, and there's an air deck in aircraft. Okay. That has to make an emergency landing. Right. For some reason, it has to make an emergency landing. And the pilot finds out that there is an airport nearby. It's a very little used airport, but it's nearby and he has to make this landing. So this pilot takes this plane to Solapur airport. Okay. At this very little used airport. And as he's trying to make an emergency landing, okay, it's tense in this plane. Everyone is like, he's fearing ki what
Obviously.
might happen. And then as he approaches Solapur airport and he looks down, he sees ki runway pe public cricket खेल रहे हैं.
Cricket, bro.
अरे यार.
It's my dream. The amount of times, and any hardcore cricket fan has always, you know, if you've taken the bus and you're climbing up the stairs to the aircraft and you just look at this open empty space, तू इंडिया से है, तेरे दिमाग में क्रिकेट तो आएगा ही, बहुत पब्लिक के दिमाग में फुटबॉल भी आएगा. जैसे उस दिन बारिश पड़ा था, अपना जो मैनेजर है कॉस्टो, वो देख के ऐसे पानी को देख रहा है, बारिश पड़ते है, शिट यार फुटबॉल खेलने का मन कर. क्या?
Dude, it's anything. तू एग्जाम के बाद जो तेरा पैड है, वो बैट है, तेरा क्वेश्चन पेपर इज योर बॉल. उसके बाद चालू. नीलकमल makes the best stumps in India.
Yeah, that's true. That's
Yeah.
true. But dude, so
A
they
watchman
have
use it, and many a times the watchman is the stump.
Yeah, the poor
You
watchman
take
while
in the chair along with
हाँ.
the watchman. अभी watchman ही बैठा हुआ है और वो stumps भी है.
और वो बेचारा सोया है और फिर भी वो स्टंप है.
अरे पंडित चाचा उठो.
so the thing is कि this Air Deccan flight, right? He had to put emergency brakes क्योंकि वो लोग क्रिकेट खेल रहा है.
एक
God
मिनट.
damn.
पर सोलापुर एयरपोर्ट पे सिक्योरिटी है ही नहीं क्या? ये अलाउड है कि उधर इतना लो
I think-
यूज एयरपोर्ट है कि उसको टर्फ जैसे ट्रीट कर लेके आ जाओ आधे
You
घंटे
know-
के इतना.
What must have happened? 4-5 बच्चे लोग ने शुरू किया होगा. सिक्योरिटी वाले आए होंगे कि चलो यहाँ से हटो. And then after a while the security वाला also must have gone,
Yeah.
fuck it, चल मैं भी 1-2 ओवर खेलता हूँ ना.
मैं भी एक
क्या
और
जाएगा?
खेलता हूँ.
हाँ.
नोबडी मजा. अरे सोलापुर कौन आ रहा है प्लेन से? छोड़.
So that's the thing. Like, who was more surprised, the pilot on seeing people play cricket or the cricketers who saw a plane?
The guys who are playing cricket, they looked at the हाँ नहीं इधर तो नहीं लैंड होगा.
Exactly.
आगे जा रहा है, आगे जा रहा है. उधर
Bro, this reminds me of a time. I mean, it's.
जैसे
There's a difference
sorry.
here between the cricket and reality, but this reminds me of a time where it wasn't an unscheduled landing, it was a scheduled landing, all of this. And I was I was heading to in the middle of South Africa. There's a in the Kruger National Park, there's an airport called the Hoedspruit Airport. It's a very cute, tiny
Hoedspruit.
yeah. So it's a very tiny, cute airport, right? So the pilot is landing. It was scheduled. All of this has happened. Pilot is landing. Suddenly, midway through the landing, he says, "Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to abort the landing and we're going to swing around and come back because there are
Lion.
bison on the runway."
और वो लोग क्रिकेट खेल
Understandable.
रहे हैं.
और
और
वो-
बाइसन क्रिकेट खेल रहा है, that would be fun.
दो
बट वो
bison
होता था ना,
भागे।
तुम ऐसे
Random
तुम
में-
गली में एक
वोट टेकिंग सेरेमनी के टाइम पे देखा एक वीडियो चल रहा है, पीछे लेपर्ड चलते हुए जा रहा है.
क्या?
लेपर्ड या चीता या कोई तो वन ऑफ द बिग कैट्स इज वॉकिंग एट द बैक. अभी मोदी जी के वोट टेकिंग सेरेमनी के टाइम पे ब्रो, दिस वीडियो ऑफ इट. वन सेकंड प्लीज टेल मी यू गाइस हैव सीन इट.
No.
Yeah.
What?
You've
I'm
not
not
seen
Ankur,
the
1 second, please verify this before you say it. क्योंकि
Bro,
क्या
it's
पता.
all
we've
over.
seen
There's a-
memes. हाँ.
अब भी चेक कर, अभी
Check करो।
चेक कर. वोट टेकिंग सेरेमनी लेपर्ड.
हाँ,
Not
तब
like
तक
गली
आदर क्या
क्रिकेट
बोल रहा
खेल
था
रहे
तू? गली क्रिकेट
अरे
का?
but गली क्रिकेट में वही तो होता था ना, जब गाड़ी आती थी then everybody had to lift
Correct.
everything
Correct.
so that the car can pass. So we are used
Bang
to
on.
vehicles interrupting a game of cricket.
Bang on. Nonchalantly
We
there is,
have
अरे वो प्लेन आ रहा है,
stopped
रुक
the
रुक
car.
रुक रुक.
Not the car stopping our game. We have stopped the car saying एक बॉल बचा है ओवर में, तो तू रुक.
हाँ.
तो तू बोल रहा है कि वो पायलट को भी बोल रहा है 1 सेकेंड
एक
लास्ट
ball
बॉल है
है.
लास्ट बॉल.
सर पंखा ऊपर घुमाओ, थोड़ी देर के लिए हवर करो. हाँ.
Suddenly they realize there's a flight coming, वो बॉल स्विंग हो रही है. बोले अरे ये रबर बॉल कैसे स्विंग कर रहा है? अरे हेड है नहीं चूतिए.
Bro, Varun, you are right, bro.
अरे बैट्समैन
Or I told you there's a leopard at the vote taking ceremony, not for the vote taking ceremony, it's just at the back.
There's a leopard. Okay.
It'll be
Oh my
hilarious if leopard
God.
gets forest ministry.
It's unreal. और वो बस कौतुक, it's like a just पीछे
Casually चल के जा रहा है पीछे.
चल के जा रहा है ऐसा.
Like sometimes when Begu walks into the frame like that.
Correct.
Yes,
It is
except
exactly that.
This Begu can like कबे you bro, like खा जाएगा. Casually चले जा रहा है.
अबे इसको कैसा मिला सिक्योरिटी क्लियरेंस?
हाँ.
भाई
अरे आज के डिग्निटरीज कौन है? मुकेश अंबानी, शाहरुख खान,
लेपर्ड.
लेपर्ड.
वैसे अब तो लेपर्ड
और-
हो गया. अरे लेपर्ड ने
और
लाइन यार्ड पहना
बगीरा.
हुआ था, मैं क्या करूं?
और बगीरा.
अबे I don't know if you've said this on the podcast, probably have, but worth repeating.
If you
So
think you
other-
have, you have.
Yeah. Other, do you remember the incident about
हाँ,
in Thane
I think
where
we
the
have
leopard
kind
had-
of, yeah, kind
Okay.
of. But
Delhi
yeah,
police-
but it's just
Delhi police
Yeah.
has said it's a regular cat, apparently.
जो जिम
ए,
क्योंकि बहुत बड़ी है.
ये क्या स्टेरॉइड्स पे कैट घूम रही है यहाँ पे.
It's a
It's just
regular.
as a
दिल्ली की
Mumbaiker,
बिल्ली
you're so
बहुत
used
बड़ी
to
है भाई.
leopards. हाँ, you're used to leopards interrupting stuff. Leopard breaking into malls and malls competing with each other. This is the one you're talking about now. Where the
Yeah,
malls are
yeah,
like it's like
it
one
was
mall is
beautiful,
like
dude. In Thane, one leopard entered one mall, and a rival mall put up a hoarding saying, ki, "Come to our mall, we don't have leopards."
Only for you to find out they actually have a cheetah. And you're like, देखा आ गया. तो देखो हमने क्या बोला, लेपर्ड नहीं है. चीता के बारे में हमने
Leopard.
कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है.
हम लोग ने we don't take
ऐसे
responsibility.
कोई एनिमल नहीं है, ऐसा कोई मॉल है क्या? नहीं सर, उसके लिए आपको
Yes.
फिनिक्स जाना पड़ेगा, लोअर परेल.
Okay, so in
झाड़ ही
classic
नहीं है तो आएगा कहाँ से लेपर्ड?
Tiz fashion, we have gone from cricket anecdotes to
dissect. I mean,
leopard.
digressed.
Okay,
Classic.
so coming back, okay.
हाँ.
Now listen to this. What a great story. So the year is 1948 now. Okay, literally
Okay.
1 year after independence, 1948. And there is this gentleman called Don Bradman who's
Oh,
playing
wow.
his last
सुना है
test.
शायद.
हाँ कोई तो था अच्छा
हाँ,
पोटेंशियल है.
काफी फेमस क्रिकेटर. हाँ.
So Don Bradman is playing his last test match, and there's one fan who really wants to see this last test match. Okay, really wants to see, right? And he's an Indian guy, and so here's what he does: he manages to get a ticket to this Trent Bridge Test match and reaches England. But it just so happens that he can't find a single hotel in Nottingham that will take him in. They're all booked out. So this guy, here's what he does. वो दिमाग लगाता है, okay, और वो सीधा जाता है जेल.
Oh, for accommodation.
और वार्डन को बोलता है, can I please stay here for one night? Okay. Now he has stayed in Nottingham County Jail for one night. Okay. The craziest part about this story is, you know who this fan was? This fan was Devdas Gandhi, son of Mahatma Gandhi.
What? Bro, mind blown. क्या बात कर रहा है, bro?
What a story. What a story.
That's incredible.
And also, it must be slightly disappointing ना कि if you had to go to jail, what is this reason?
उसके पिताजी अंग्रेजों को लड़ते हुए अभी
Ex-
जस्ट इतने टाइम से उनको जेल में रखा था.
But involuntarily,
आजादी जेल.
इधर voluntarily जेल में जा रहे हैं.
This is civil
ये
obedience
जाते
movement.
जाते कुछ तो एक सॉल्ट सत्याग्रह कुछ तो कर लेना चाहिए था.
Civil obedience movement बहुत funny.
उधर गया और उसको वार्डन बोल रहे सॉरी वी कांट एडमिट लाइक ऐसे सब लोग आ जाएंगे. फिर सीधा एक गोटे पे लात वार्डन के इसको डालो.
हाँ. बट ये
So-
टेस्ट मैच था तो उसको 5 दिन के लिए रहना पड़ा होगा ना जेल में. हर दिन रात को जाना पड़ता होगा ना वापस जेल.
Like I'm sure someone must have held up one sign saying, Don
But
Bradman, stay back.
I would like to say that if you are son of Mahatma Gandhi and you just go and say I'm son of Mahatma Gandhi, देखो ऐसे ही लोग घर दे देंगे भाई हम अभी टेस्ट
Yeah.
को बुला रहे हैं लोग अपने घर पे रहने के लिए तो
No, but you have to keep in mind this is 1948. It like
हाँ, they
Right
didn't have a
after
podcast
the-
then. They didn't have a podcast.
right after the thing. So, okay, so that is one story. Now, staying with jails, okay, in the 2015 World Cup, 6 inmates from Guwahati Central Jail filed a public litigation demanding that they be shown every match of the World
every not even vital.
Cup. All. And their plea went up to the court, and Justice Arup Kumar ordered the prison authorities to install a cable connection within 5 days.
Wow,
Ah,
The public, Dekesh.
ये मस्त है बे. गुवाहाटी जेल
Full World
काफी chill.
Yeah.
No, but I think it's a fair demand.
Fair demand.
चूते
Okay.
जेल में तेरे को पूरा वर्ल्ड कप देखना है.
चल रहा है
Then-
वर्ल्ड कप तो.
तो फिर अभी एक बार दे दिया फिर सब कुछ ना सर फीफा वर्ल्ड कप भी देखना है. अरे तू को फुटबॉल पसंद है. हाँ सर अभी
it's a
सर
basic
टूर डे फ्रांस
requirement.
है क्या? टूर डे फ्रांस टूर डे फ्रांस को देखना है. अरे नहीं सर आपको पता नहीं है 5 बिलियन लोग टूर डे फ्रांस देखते हैं क्या?
अच्छा सर अभी
इस पे लोग साइकिल चलाते हैं. अरे आमिर खान नहीं सर वो पिक्चर है वो भी दिखा दो आप. तो पहले टूर डे फ्रांस दिखाओ फिर जे जे
अरे, और फिर बोला सर अभी इतना सब लगा ही दिया है तो बिग बॉस लगा दो अभी.
बिग बॉस लगाए दो क्योंकि
You think that was the? You think that's what the market research was before they made JJWS? के अरे क्रिकेट से ज्यादा तो लोग साइकिलिंग देख रहे हैं. Let's make a movie about cycling. And then he's just walking. Then Lagan. Then wrestling. I think he's just going down the list. Amir Khan is just trying to do that.
Dude, yeah, that's right. He's made a lot of sports movies, man.
Yeah.
Okay, so now in 2007,
शाहरुख खान का भी कोई स्पोर्ट मूवी मतलब सिर्फ कोच बना है खुद खेला नहीं.
चक दे.
हाँ,
खेला था ना
बस
चक दे
coach
में. फर्स्ट ओपनिंग
एक
खेला
गोल.
नहीं है.
और डीडीएलजे में उसने एक बाइसिकल बेंच किक मार के गोल मार.
अरे
कुछ-
वो
कुछ
गाने
होता है
में तो सब
basketball.
कुछ कर रहा है ना वो.
बास्केटबॉल भी खेला है.
बास्केटबॉल काजोल के साथ अकेले खेल रहा है मतलब ऐसे एज अ स्पोर्टिंग कंपटीशन में खेल रहा है. वो और काजोल
एक-
दूसरे के
I know one. It's a deep cut. In
राम जाने वो गैंगस्टर है उसमें.
नहीं,
No, in चमत्कार.
नहीं,
In चमत्कार he plays
हाँ.
he plays
He
Sundar.
plays with magic.
no in चमत्कार he's Sundar.
In-
He plays cricket.
Ah, there is a cricket match. Yeah.
one
So
second,
then again,
guys.
that's one random cricket match which he wins because of a post.
Yes.
Oh, acha, so one of match you're saying no, na? Then I was going to say
नहीं, मेरे को
deep
जी
cut.
अपने बलबूते पे वो स्पोर्ट खेल के जीता है कि आमिर खान साइकिलिंग में जीता, आमिर खान लगान में जीता,
आमिर खान wrestling में जीता.
रेसलिंग में जीता.
हम्म.
Boxing गुलाम.
नहीं
Ah.
वो ट्रेन से बचा.
Shahrukh Khan in
अरे वो ट्रेन से
Pardes
बॉक्सिंग.
won
अरे.
one kabaddi match.
He was a mechanic. अच्छा हाँ.
So,
Yes,
okay,
not
professional
coming back from Shahrukh's fictitious sporting career to actual sporting fans. Now, this is a story of a man called Sarun Sharma.
Sounds
Okay,
like a
of
made up name, bro. Sounds like
Yeah.
अरे मैं रियल नाम नहीं दे सकता. तेरा नाम क्या है? वरुण वर्मा है. अच्छा ठीक है. सरुण शर्मा लिख दे.
Sarun,
That sounds believable. Sarun.
and if you hear this story, you will know why he had to give a fake name. Okay. So
Ah.
Sarun Sharma really wanted to go and see the 2007 World Cup really badly.
What a bad World Cup to go for cricket, no?
yeah.
गलत World Cup.
Abhay, shit, I should have told you this at the end. Okay. So
Sorry,
basically,
sorry.
no. So here's what happens. Okay. So Sarun Sharma wants to go for 2007 World Cup. Now the story is going to get progressively more horrifying since you know what happened in the 2007 World Cup.
Yeah. ODI World Cup. Huh?
ODI World
Ah.
Cup. So to go to it, because he wanted to go so badly, he was willing to give up one kidney.
Fuck.
Literally, he's like, मैं kidney बेच के जाऊंगा देखूंगा.
No.
In fact, he gave interviews also saying anybody can survive with one kidney, but you will never get the opportunity to watch India win the cup in the West Indies.
Second.
Again.
एक तो सरुण शर्मा को कान के नीचे मारना है कि वो मर रहा है वेस्ट इंडीज जाके मैच. I can tell you 19 more locations that you should watch the World Cup. Better than
So-
West Indies.
One of them is Wankhede.
Yes, only place you should
Yes.
watch. Best.
Now, he didn't like the way it's phrased here is beautiful. The sale didn't go through.
The sale, but the operation was done.
मतलब वो निकाल के ऐसे खड़ा है, कोई खरीद रहा नहीं है.
किडनी वाले लाइक काम करो सर, आप वर्ल्ड कप स्टेडियम के बाहर जाके बेचो, उधर खरीद लेंगे.
OLX पे किडनी डाल रहा है.
So
हाँ.
the thing is, he like obviously operation नहीं हुआ, बेचा भी नहीं,
अच्छा.
and he got so depressed that he threatened to jump off a bridge. Okay, because he's like, यार किडनी भी नहीं जा रहा है, मैं भी नहीं जा रहा हूँ, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है, right life में.
देखो बोल ये सब अनाउंस किसको कर रहा है, वो जो ये कवर कर उसके डिमांड्स.
So the police jumped in and had to detain him for a while, okay, to prevent him from jumping off the bridge.
ये भी जेल.
But in that period of time, India got eliminated from the World Cup.
Shit.
So Sarun Sharma was like, बच गया भाई, बच गया.
No, he should have continued and he's like, फिर मैं T20 वर्ल्ड कप देखने आता हूँ साउथ अफ्रीका में जो अपन जीते 2007.
हाँ.
Hilarious. Sarun Sharma, I hope you're watching this and I hope you have both your kidneys.
That's true.
Salute.
Okay,
If you-
something
if-
happens when World Cup is in West Indies.
If you
Sarun
are
Sharma जान जाता है.
if you are Sarun Sharma, please write in the comments below.
Comment. और देखो सरुण शर्मा 17 साल के बाद आपकी किडनी एक किडनी पे नहीं चलेगी, ठीक है, आपकी किडनी आपको दो लगेंगी.
So now you know this, right? कि अपना as much as we have adulation for our sports stars, when they mess up, तो अपन उतना ही intensity से गुस्सा होता है, right? Public फट जाता है. Now there are obviously some people, some idiots who take it too far and they like
FAG.
vandalize the houses, burn effigies, all of that stuff, right? Now obviously people insult guys on social media. Now there are fans who take it too far, but there was this one village in Haryana called Jind. Okay, in Jind, they took it so seriously. उनको इतना दर्द पहुंचा कि the leaders in 28 villages came together and made a decision कि they will ban playing or even mentioning cricket.
ये कब के बाद है, मतलब what?
This
Why?
was, I think it was 2007 only.
अच्छा वर्ल्ड कप के बाद. ओके.
World Cup के बाद. So they have taken a unilateral decision कि आज से कोई क्रिकेट ना खेलेगा और बात भी नहीं करेगा. You can't even mention it. You can't even
हो ही नहीं
say
सकता.
the word cricket in 28 villages. तो जब मैच चल रहा है तो पब्लिक बोला अरे टूर डे फ्रांस लगा चल.
Suddenly 2011 का फाइनल इंडिया में हो रहा है और उधर किसी को देखना है, बोला भाई मैच देख रहे. नहीं भाई हम लोग तो प्रीमियर लीग देख रहे, इधर तो क्रिकेट अलाउड ही नहीं है. अरे इंडिया
So
फाइनल
it's only
क्या किसमें
only cricket.
वो क्या होता है?
No, and they wouldn't even say cricket. They'll be like, वो bat ball.
वो
हाँ.
अरे वो
Bad
दूसरा
वो
Western-
ये है ना
अरे
Western
वो जो
वो.
बेसबॉल से कॉपी किया है वो.
अरे वो ये है ना वो ये वाला ये.
but
ये
is it
table
cricket or
tennis?
cricket
नहीं, नहीं.
adjacent cricket adjacent stuff also नहीं stumps bat ball
नहीं.
slip अरे
हाँ.
अरे वो दूध का क्या हुआ तेरा दूध की वेसल का. अच्छा नहीं वो स्लिप गिर गया.
क्या?
He's saying you can't even say slip.
या आप अरे ये 302 नंबर घर का पड़ा, वो आगे वाली लेन.
अच्छा गल.
Must. So they can't say straight, they can't say drive, they can't say both of those things together. Like, it's just-
अरे उन लोग का खाना में मच्छर जा रहा है लेकिन मक्खी जा रहा है लेकिन नहीं बोल सकता कैन यू कवर दिस, ये सब नहीं बोल सकता तो.
कुछ नहीं, कुछ
मैं
तो-
नहीं जा रहा ये विलेज.
नहीं. To be honest, we have concocted this. They probably weren't this extreme.
You can't count one in that village.
Or
ever.
maybe they are extremer. You don't know.
या
We
बिकॉज
don't
3
know.
आदमी लोग साथ में चल सकता है तो चल रहा है तो नहीं चल सकता है क्योंकि
नहीं,
थर्ड मैन अलाउड नहीं है.
तीसरा अलाउड नहीं.
Very good.
तो
Very good.
उन लोग
If
के
you
उन लोग
are
के इधर उन लोग के इधर जितने भी क्लब है तुम एंटर कर सकते हो, नो टेंशन, क्योंकि उधर बाउंसर ही नहीं है.
करेक्ट. और उधर उधर कोई भी फिसलता नहीं है क्योंकि स्लिप भी नहीं है.
और बाबा
उधर
तूने
से-
सेम चीज वापस रिपीट.
Just-
It's
go-
okay.
उधर से
full
कोई-
That's
circle.
because you missed the point.
Oh.
You're not getting the silly
Ah.
point here
But
that
it-
I'm
it
trying to
was
make.
correct.
वाओ.
Now, if you are from Jind, Haryana, please tell us if what we have said is
They're
accurate.
not allowed to tell us, Kautuk.
Oh, correct. Please tell us in football
Code.
terms whether
In code.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you offside? Then let us know.
Morse code.
Offside भी नहीं मिल सकता. Are you football का offside?
football offside.
कौन offside
So-
allowed? देख वो थोड़ा एक तो loophole चाहिए जिंद में.
Now,
जिंद में ही
Um,
देख चली है.
I was about to say Jinmai was Sony.
now there was a
Mahi
guy.
पे, जिंद में ही पे.
Now these are two Sachin Tendulkar facts. Okay.
Wow. Okay.
एक मिनट,
Nice. Always.
उधर वो विलेज में किसी का नाम सचिन भी नहीं है फिर.
No, you have to change. You have to now call yourself Sunil Chhetri.
You have to behave like you are the pirated version of Cricket 97, where all the
Correct.
cricketers had fake names.
Yeah.
Tendehar, Seaway, not 2007, sorry.
Sachin Tendulkar.
Not 2007. Cricket
Gautam
99.
Kempfir.
Cricket 99.
Lexington. We
Cricket
Lexington.
99 it was.
अबे गंभीर नहीं था ना 99 में.
2007 and all was different.
पायरेटेड वाले में नहीं था, गलत. उसमें जेड काल नहेरम.
नहीं रहा.
Neheram.
Wow. Okay.
No rights.
Now coming to these two Sachin, like crazy Sachin fandom facts. Okay. So there was a guy called Ratilal Parmar. Now his claim to fame is that he really likes collecting currency notes that have references to Sachin Tendulkar.
Hmm.
I'll give you an example. He got really like he had one viral moment in 2012 when he acquired a 10 rupee note with a serial number, and I'm hoping and I'm really looking forward to Bawa and Thakur getting this. Serial number was 22404112.
Birthday.
What the?
Yes.
हाँ.
Yes. So he got a serial number of this and it was a 10 rupee note. तो भाई तो एकदम ओफ
2404 में समझता 12 क्यों है? 12 से क्या है?
अभी can't get everything. I think it's 2012. I think it's 2012. He got this in 2012.
Ah, that's why. So
So
24
it was literally
birthday.
yeah, it was literally on that in that year. So
Wow, this
This
guy
is
is really just going through all the notes. फिर मोदी जी ने बोल दिया demonetization है, अभी बोल रहा है यार shit, मुझे सब देना पड़ रहा है वापस. अभी वो यूपीआई ट्रांसफर में देखता है कि तेरे ट्रांजैक्शन आईडी में कुछ सचिन रिलेटेड कुछ है,
सचिन का बर्थडे.
10 है, वो शारजा 98 है, 98 अरे लेजर स्टॉर्म. ऐसा क्या
Can you
कर रहे हो
imagine?
आप? थोड़ा
Can you
ज्यादा
imagine?
ऑब्सेस नहीं हो गए?
Exactly. There are this man has friends who he goes and shows this to. He's like, देख रहा है? And they're like, oh God.
उसने
Ratilal.
लैमिनेट करा है. हाँ.
They give him a square cut. कि छट.
Now,
Yes.
now Sachin's fandom is so much, okay, कि public अलग अलग चीज कर रहा है, right, to show कि हम लोग कितने बड़े फैन हैं. तो दो लोग ने ये किया है, okay. तो one guy was Haji Kalimullah Khan of Malihabad, Uttar Pradesh. Now,
Hmm.
he used to grow mangoes and he developed one hybrid mango, okay, which was a mix of
अब mango
hybrid
है ना,
of- no, Gudsha mango and Chausa. and he named it a Tendulkar mango. Okay, which is fine, whatever. But the better one was Dhruv Prajapati, who was a PhD aspirant in spider taxonomy. And this PhD
Spider
aspirant
taxonomy, what does that mean?
Naming spiders.
naming
Oh,
spiders.
Oh,
तो भाई ने
I thought he was
ढूंढा है-
handling spiders taxation.
तो
और उधर बहुत है क्योंकि 8 हाथ है खर्चा करने को.
हाँ.
and it's a very complex web of expenses. So now the thing is, this guy has found a new spider, discovered it. Okay, and upon seeing it, he's like, I gotta name it after
Sachin.
my idol.
Sachin
Little,
Spider.
little master. Little
Sachin
master.
Spider.
Did he call
He's
it?
not-
What's the spider?
He's not literally called
Sachin
the
is
spider.
Spiderus.
अभी तेरा नाम सचिन
Oh, he
है.
has to give it Latin gene and all of this. He
Ah,
has to do,
Sachin
na?
is Spiderus.
So very nice. Any
Spendulkar.
other?
Spendulkar. Spendulkar.
It is the spider's name is Marengo Sachin Tendulkar.
What?
You just
So
said he's not going
basically-
to name it. You just
He's
said he's
named
not
him
going to
like-
just name it like Sachin Tendulkar, and then you've done
He's named,
exactly
no,
that.
No,
he's
no,
named
no.
him. He's named a spider like the spider is Sachin's son, which is
Oh, that's Arjun Sachin Tendulkar, not Marengo.
Marengo क्या है लेकिन? And what part of Latin is Marengo from?
It must be some genus, some whatever.
Genus
thing is-
Marengo Sachin.
So the thing
But
The
क्यों?
thing
But
is,
did
Baba,
he
what
see
I meant
something
was-
special in the spider के spider कुछ ऐसा कर रहा
no,
था
he
कुछ
he
ऐसा
saw
Hey,
something.
वो अपना ऐसे एडजस्ट कर रहा था स्पाइडर. अरे ये तो एलगार्ड एडजस्ट कर रहा है स्पाइडर.
या
मरेंगो.
वो चलते चलते हर 2 मिनट में ये कर रहा है as he walks out of the.
क्या उसने 100 सेंचुरीज मार दिए ये स्पाइडर ने अपने स्पाइडर प्रीमियर लीग में. अकेला खेलते जा रहा है, मारते आ रहा है अपने 8 हाथों से. अरे भाई आप तो बहुत अच्छा क्रिकेट खेलते हो.
Or he was
स्क्वायर कट, पुल शॉट, स्ट्रेट ड्राइव, ऑन ड्राइव, कवर ड्राइव और लेट कट कैसे मार लेते हो?
लेकिन सर आप हरियाणा में नहीं खेल सकते.
हाँ.
guys, he was found in a desert storm, which is why he is called. But so what I meant was he's not called him Sachin, meaning he's not just named a spider saying "Aaj se tu Sachin hai." Like it's
हाँ.
There is
It's
a
not like-
there is a
official name of
spider.
the breed.
this is an official. Like if you search for this spider, there's
Oh,
a
it's
real
not like
spider.
how we name things Prakash, not like
Yeah, it's not that.
Yeah.
It's not. Yeah, spider is Sachin. hai. So this is a actual now. There's a real spider out there in the world called Marengo Sachin Tendulkar.
fuck, bro. Imagine you make a movie where that spider bites you, and then you are fucking great.
You
cricketer.
get the powers of Sachin Tendulkar.
और तू बाप क्रिकेट खेलने लग रहा है. तू वैसे लाइक तू फक ऑल क्रिकेटर है. तू लाइफ में कभी खेला नहीं. तू लेथार्जिक है और एक दिन देखो स्पाइडर ने काट लिया. तू जाके सीधा एमआईजी पे सेंचुरी मारते आ रहा है. पब्लिक बोल रही है कहां से, ये कौन है?
वो लोग किडनी बेच के आ रहे हैं वो स्पाइडर से एक बाइट खाने के लिए.
And his arch nemesis has been bitten by Shane Warne.
अरे सर आप एक ही इससे लेग स्पिन, ऑफ स्पिन, गूगली, फ्लिपर कैसे डाल पा रहे हैं? स्पाइडर्स, फक, क्रेजी
Crazy.
क्रेजी. बट
So,
क्या प्लान है बाकी के वर्ल्ड कप का? क्या लग रहा है तुम लोगों को? और है कुछ कौतुक तेरे पास?
I have one last one.
Oh, sorry. Then continue.
Okay. Last one is this. Now I don't understand the story, but it is what it is. All right, ready? Now, this is a gentleman from Saharanpur. Okay. His name is Ravindra Kumar Saini of Saharanpur. And in 2009, he had a very, very unique problem. Okay. He wanted to get married to a girl called Sonia. Now, his fiance had agreed to marry him, but on one condition.
What was his name? His full name? Tell me.
Ravindra Kumar Saini of Saharanpur. Okay. Now, his fiancée Sonia has told him, I'll marry you, but on one condition. And that condition was this. He had to get a photograph with Mahendra Singh Dhoni
Hmm.
in 2009. Okay. So, like, now I'm assuming this was like not just, she's not said this as a joke. It's serious. Because bhai
Correct.
ne अपना दुकान बेच दिया है. Okay, he sold his shop and then he went to fund this trip to Ranchi. Now he's got very little money. He has reached here. He's sleeping on the pavements. He's skipping meals, etc., etc. And obviously, like this guy appears and he says, "I can't get married until I meet Dhoni." Okay, what a story. So news starts spreading, and as news starts spreading, it reaches
Dhoni.
Gautam Gupta, who is the brother-in-law of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, who tells Dhoni कि एक सहारनपुर से आए हैं, उनका शादी नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि ये कंडीशन है, फोटो चाहिए आपके साथ. तो धोनी ने फोटो दिया है.
Oh, wow,
course.
Kala for a reason, bro.
Of course,
Of
yeah.
course दिया है,
Like,
मतलब
35 days it took, but it happened.
But
So-
what I don't get is that this guy's fiance wanted a picture with Dhoni. I thought she wanted a picture with Dhoni. She said, "You got a picture with Dhoni." ये क्या है?
it needs to show ना कि मैं करूंगा तेरे लिए ये सब.
That's right. That's right. तो
अग्नि परीक्षा.
सबसे हार्डकोर
then what
सीएसके फैन तो सहारनपुर में अभी फिलहाल.
but what did she get though? Like, she got a photo of her fiance with Dhoni.
Yeah.
Like, it's
her now husband with Dhoni.
But I agree with Bawa's assessment. I think this is one of those like कि if he can do this, तो then he's he can do anything. Like a ultimate test.
He's worthy.
Wow,
But
अबे
can you
ये
imagine
news मिल
being-
गया, अभी बाकी सब भी बोल रहे हैं अपने फियांसे को, देख भाई कोहली के साथ फोटो नहीं मिला तो मैं तो नहीं कर रही शादी. अरे वो कोहली कहाँ बिजी है अभी. नहीं, कोहली के साथ तो लेना ही पड़ेगा. रोहित के साथ
public-
लेना ही पड़ेगा.
पब्लिक सीधा मिड जर्नी में जाके
फिर जाने
फोटो ऑफ मी
Of
एंड विराट कोहली
me and
shaking hand.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Me giving batting tips to Sachin.
And वो तू खड़ा है उधर और एक स्पाइडर बैटिंग कर.
yeah, full yeah. It is Marango, Sachin is.
But AI is quite dumb that way. It was somebody had put salmon in the river, so the AI just put sushi में जो sashimi मिलता है, just rows of that, just salmon
Hilarious.
inside water. So AI takes a lot of stuff literally.
Bro, I think the skill for artists in the future is not going to be like drawing. It'll just be patience.
Prompts,
कि तू
prompts.
कितने बार तू डाल सकता है.
Kautuk,
Not
there
that
is a-
salmon.
There is a
No, there's
career.
a specific position now.
There is
a
the
career.
person who gives
Yeah, yeah.
prompts.
Prompt
It's called-
engineer.
Prompt engineer, and
Ah.
there are courses that are being run for prompt engineering.
Mast.
Wow.
That doesn't
Supreme
mean it's
को apply.
fast engineering. They're not prompt, as in they're not with regard to speed. They're still quite slow.
Yeah.
बट
So
बाकी
those
दे
are-
दो प्रिडिक्शन, दे दो वर्ल्ड कप का प्रिडिक्शन दे दो. इसके बाद करेंगे अगर इंडिया जीतेगी, जो जीतने वाली है. मैं तो कंफर्म बोल रहा हूँ फुल.
India is in
Okay,
epic
predict your
form.
predict your final four. Come on.
India, Australia, guarantee.
India, Australia, West Indies,
Yes.
South Africa.
Indies.
India, Australia, West Indies, England. I want to say.
अबे इंग्लैंड मर रही है, नंबर 4 पे है.
I feel they'll pull out, but India, Australia, West Indies to confirm.
South
But-
Africa.
तो इंडिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, वेस्ट इंडीज और रियल मैड्रिड.
Yes. Confirm. Lock.
It'll be Real
Between
Madrid
India and
final
Real
to
Madrid. What kind of a Sophie's choice would you have if Real Madrid is playing India?
Oh.
In
Real
cricket.
Madrid is playing.
No, Real
playing
Madrid is
cricket.
playing India, but at Tour de France. Who do you think
Yeah.
will cycle faster? Will it be
Mbappe.
Mbappe or Kohli?
Oh,
मेरा भी वही है. इंडिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, वेस्ट इंडीज और साउथ अफ्रीका. I
South
hope
Africa, I thought South Africa, but ये last four में थोड़ा toughiees लग रहा है मेरे को.
मुझे
But Bawa,
मुझे क्या लग रहा है, if some by some freak luck USA manages to get in the 8,
Oh.
then
मजा
there
आएगा,
can be
bro.
upsets. There can be some kind of upset that can happen in the Super 8.
Bro,
या
imagine
final
Saurabh
में निकलो,
Netravalkar.
final सुपर हिट आ भी गए, नहीं आएंगे. फाइनल नहीं आएंगे. बहुत बहुत मुश्किल है.
Saurabh Netravalkar wins the World Cup. Then he goes
Then
back
goes
to
back to
Oracle.
Oracle. And the boss is
And-
like, I don't care. You need to be back at your desk on Monday.
And the only sign that he has won it is that he updates his LinkedIn very quietly saying works at Oracle and T20 World Cup winner.
What is a T20 World Cup, Saurabh? Let me not explain. By the way, ये सब अपने एसोसिएट नेशंस भी आए. इसका तो किसी ने बोला ही नहीं. पापुआ न्यू गिनी है भाई ये वर्ल्ड.
Unbelievable.
ताइवान में पापुआ न्यू गिनी, इफ यू सी ऑन द मैप, इतने एकदम ऐसे ऑब्सक्योर कोने छोटे से जगह पे कि जब उन लोग की टीम वहां से निकली थी ना, वो अंडर 19 थे.
But by the way, so since I saw Papua New Guinea, I went down one rabbit hole, dude. I was like, who are Papua New Guinea playing? They are playing somebody, right, to get to this point.
Correct.
तो
Yeah.
क्या क्या नाम निकले हैं यार? I didn't
तो
know.
नामीबिया है, युगांडा है,
No,
पापुआ न्यू
Thakur.
गिनी, स्कॉटलैंड.
Vanuatu. They are
Huh?
playing Vanuatu. They are playing Panama. Panama has a team, and Panama's team has rarely scored above 40 runs.
Panama's
Yeah,
team
because-
is only bankers. Sir, are you batsman? बोल रहा है, I'm banker.
नहीं, वो 40
Would you
रन
like-
खाली वो बुक्स में दिखा रहे, वो खाली बुक्स में 40 रन दिखा रहे.
उन लोग ने एक्चुअली 100 रन मारे, लेकिन उन लोग ने छुपा दी.
On that note, you can't top that.
Note. That's the end of this episode of the Internet Set. So we were announcing the 5-year Test store, talking about the World Cup and a whole bunch of crazy cricket fans. If you have any crazy cricket stories, let us know in the comments. Let us know your final four in the comments. Please go fill the Google sheet so that you get early access to tickets. That's it.
And-
Please make sure you like, share, subscribe.
London
if you-
link, London link below.
London
Link
link.
below.
सब कुछ
And if
मिलेगा,
you're-
सब कुछ मिलेगा, सब कुछ क्लिक करो. And sorry about not dropping the episode yesterday.
ये तुम लोग ना
Sporadic होगा तो please bear with us. हाँ, बोल
also
बाबू.
when you're putting the city name na, don't say London, but I will also come anywhere in the world for you guys. Please, I love you. I understand the sentiment, but it really fucks with the
Searching.
sheet arrangement and the searching.
Chara babu.
You want to do it, still do it. It's fine.
No, don't please. You won't get the ticket because it might get missed. So just try to and don't give obscure cities, guys. We're not going to come to fucking like
Papua New
Bratislava.
Guinea.
Yeah, and Papua New Guinea and all. We're not coming to. So just thoda ek
Right now. But
For now.
meaning give it
But अगर
Three
क्रिकेट
more.
वहां पहुंच गया तो टेस्ट भी पहुंच ही जाएगा.
पहुंच ही जाएगा.
एक दिन कियोटो में करने का है शो.
अगर आप पापुआ न्यू गिनी में हो and you're watching
Please.
this, let us know and
Yeah.
tell us how you're watching this.
And if you're watching it from Jind Haryana, please tell us कि क्या ये रूल अभी तक लागू है? क्या आप क्रिकेट का नाम और निशान मिटा दिए हो? Please.
बता दो. चलो, on that note, that's the end of this episode. Thank you so much for watching. See you. Good night. Bye bye. Take care. Salam ishq.
Salami
Us-
tish.
Hey,
सलामी
जापान
टिश.
का
वाह.
क्रिकेट टीम है. Do you know
सलामी
this?
टिश.
Salami tish.
हाँ, जब
जापान का टीम है.
There's a
लोग ऐसे
Japanese
एक
cricket team.
samurai sword से मारेगा ना, बॉल कट जाएगा हाफ में.
उधर यॉकर नहीं डालता है, उधर याकुजा डालता है.
अबे वाह.
I thought you were going to go for Yoko डालता है.
योको, हाँ, योकर डालते.
ओह.
Oh.